All right, so I've built my entire business off of TikTok to the point where it was literally my only source of leads for the entire first year of my career, which resulted in 57 deals. However, the algorithm on TikTok and the way the platform works has drastically changed since I started using it over 2.5 years ago. And in this video, I'm gonna go over how you guys can get more views, so you can get more clients and eventually sell more homes. I'm Connor Kelly, Vancouver realtor and team leader. I make these videos to try to help you guys attract more clients so you can make more money via social media. And if that's something you're interested in, please do subscribe. Please like the video, bro. And if you want to chat, I've got some ways you can contact me in the description. So the way TikTok works today is the platform is starting to push more long form content. So they want to see a minute plus long videos. You can even do 10-minute long videos now. I haven't gotten that update on my app, but apparently they are pushing 10-minute long video. And the reason why they're starting to do this is because of what happened to Vine. If you guys remember Vine, it was the very first short form video social media app. God, that was like 11 years ago now, 2013. And then it eventually just disappeared. It went away. And even though everybody loved Vine and we still all talk about it today, they were not making money. And that's why that app eventually just kind of disappeared. And the reason why they weren't making money is because all of the content that was on that app was so short, there was really no way for advertisers to show their product or service on that app. And now today, TikTok, which is basically Vine, like Vine was just TikTok before TikTok became TikTok, TikTok is having all of those same struggles where they're really having trouble monetizing the app because the content that's on there is so short, it's hard for advertisers to get in front of people. So to compensate for that, they are now pushing longer form video. And my guess is that the reason why they're doing that is because they want to be able to put ads in the middle of those videos or at the beginning or something in the future to the likes of that. So TikTok, in a way, is starting to become more like YouTube. The second thing TikTok is doing, which again is very similar to YouTube, is they're starting to become more search-based. So I want to show you guys this. If I were to type in Abbotsford restaurants, right? And people do this. In fact, I do this myself. This is how I picked the last restaurant that I ate at last weekend. Abbotsford restaurants, and you go to videos. Hey, look, that's literally me. I'm the first video there. I didn't even plan for that to happen. But Abbotsford restaurants, right? Literally, turn on D&D. Look at this. You will see all of these videos that people have made about different restaurants in Abbotsford, right? Check this out. Abbotsford, BC. Videos. Right? So this is going to show you all the videos that, and look, there's another one of my, there's two of my videos actually right there. Now, why am I showing you this, right? The reason why I'm showing you this is because if you can be the person that shows up in the search and TikTok is becoming more search-based, there's a massive opportunity on TikTok right now where if, TikTok is basically YouTube in its infancy, so to speak, and you can rank for these evergreen style videos, then you have the potential to get views for basically the rest of your career on that one topic. Like one of those videos that just showed up on the feed when I typed in Abbotsford, BC was a video that I shot 1.5 years ago. I still get views on that video. I have videos that I shot 2 years ago before they even changed the algorithm that now get views. Like they literally had died for like a year, and since they changed the algorithm, now those videos are starting to get views again. So knowing that TikTok is basically turning into a search-based platform where if people are going on vacation somewhere, they're going to type in things to do in your city and then look at all the things to do on TikTok because it's a much quicker, easier way to digest that content as opposed to watching a 20-minute YouTube video. What you can do to make content right now is go to pages like this, living in Portland, Oregon, and they're in every city, living in Dallas, living in Surrey, living in whatever. There's tons of these pages. Go to their page on YouTube, click popular on their videos, and literally look at this. Top 10 worst neighborhoods to live in Portland, Oregon. Top 5 pros and cons living in Portland, Oregon. Literally go to their pages, recreate these exact videos, but in short form for TikTok. Because if these worked on YouTube, and this is a search-based platform, and TikTok is in its infancy of search-based content, then all of these videos should perform very, very well on TikTok as well, so long as you're doing everything right. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure that TikTok properly categorizes your videos. So you'll notice on this, at the very top of this video, you'll see in the search bar, real estate. That means TikTok has categorized this video as real estate. Here's another one, real estate. See, this one did not get categorized. It's not my video, it's an ad. So this one got categorized as plumber. So anyone searching for plumber content, this is gonna show up. This one got categorized as townhome. You get the idea. Now, you will notice if you can get your video categorized by TikTok, you will notice an instant boost in views and reach, but also now you have the potential to get views for a much longer time period. If your video does not get categorized, it will die after 2 or 3 days. If you manage to get it categorized, it can get views for potentially forever. So basically what TikTok does is it transcribes your video and everything in the video, everything you say, all of the text used in the video, the text in the captions, the hashtag. It will even go as far to categorize all of the comments you get on that video. I've literally had videos, I had to delete a video one time because I was talking about a developer in Vancouver potentially going bankrupt, and everyone in the comments was guessing what the developer is, and then that developer's name showed up as the categorized topic in the search bar. And because I didn't want to get sued, it looked like I was saying this developer was going bankrupt. I ended up having to take the video down, and it was like a 300,000 view video, so that really sucked. But to drive the point home, TikTok will literally categorize everything in that video, or transcribe it rather. Everything you say, all the text, the caption, the hashtags, what people are saying about the video, and that's how it then categorizes it at the top. If you confuse TikTok, that's when it will just say, find related content. So obviously when you make these videos, structure it in a way that TikTok knows exactly what you are talking about. Now, if you do all of that correct, the last thing that matters, which is, actually the most important thing, is average watch time. And the way you increase your average watch time is easier said than done, but you wanna have a good hook. When I showed you the titles of those YouTube videos, those are literally a good hook. These are the top 5 pros and cons of living in this city. That's a hook. Those titles are engineered to be hooks, right? You want to have a good hook. You want to speak concisely and drive the point home in the fewest words possible. Limit uhs and ums and all that kind of stuff. You want to add music to make it more engaging. You want to add subtitles or captions onto the video so it transcribes what you're saying, and then the text shows up on the screen as you're speaking it. And if you do everything in this video that I'm talking about, there's a massive opportunity to grow your business on TikTok right now. I still believe this is the easiest platform to grow on. This is the easiest platform to get business on. I got agents on my team that basically went from just getting their license to 3 listings in their first 2 months, leveraging what I've taught them on TikTok. Massive opportunity here. Like, subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.